Good morning, dear student. In previous class, we'll be discuss about the meaning and definition of physical education, aim and objective of physical education. Today, we'll be discuss about career option in physical education. What the career option in physical education? Mainly, there are two types of career option in the field of physical education. The first type of career option is related to teaching and coaching physical education. They are called traditional career in physical education. The second type of career option is related to emerging career in physical education. Example, health related careers, administration related careers, sports performance related careers, media related careers, and extra. The first one is teaching career in physical education. Physical education has traditionally been considered a professional field appropriate only for those interested in teaching career. The teaching career offers many rewards to the teachers, whether they are engaged in elementary schools, middle schools, high schools, senior secondary schools, colleges or universities. This career is usually considered to have many benefits. The teacher in the field of physical education command deep respect among the students because he makes a good contribute to society. This career provide internal satisfaction in teaching career. There is better job security. Teaching opportunity in the field of physical education at different level, and the first one is there are various types in school. The first one elementary school, middle school, say high school, senior secondary school will be discussed about. The first one is elementary school. It has been recognized the physical education is a must in elementary schools. Basic skills and attitudes can be learned well in the period. Physical education play a vital role in around development of children. Psychologists say that motor as well as sensor experience of children are extremely important in the development of in intelligence. The program of physical education children become creativity, develop self image and grow in a holistic manner. The emphasis can be placed on learning the various activity such as running, jumping, climbing, throwing, catching, kicking and striking. Normally, sorry, in India, there is no career opportunity for physical education teaching in elementary school. Generally, the teacher of the other subjects who are not specialized in physical education teach physical activity. This is the main drawback in India. Owing this compulsory in elementary schools in advanced country of the world. The next one is middle school. Career opportunity for physical education teachers in middle schools are ample but only in the schools of big cities. In such schools, there is a separate syllabus for class 6, 7, and 8. In government middle schools, there a rare opportunity of employment for physical education. The subject of physical education is offered in such school. It is implemented in a formal way. In some schools where teachers of physical education are employed, they are required to teach other subjects. It can be said that the middle school, the opportunity of job in the field of physical education are not sufficient. The next one is high schools. There are a number of opportunity of jobs in the field of physical education in government and private sector. Especially teachers of physical education are appointed in such schools. They are required to teach theory and practical of physical education. They are also required to prepare various teams of sports for inter-school competition. Next, senior secondary schools. It is a common practice throughout the country to engage special teachers of physical education in senior secondary schools. In same schools, lectures in physical education and senior secondary public schools. These schools are required to maintain discipline in school. They also need to prepare various teams of sports for inter-school tournament. There are ample opportunity of job in such schools. Then, in order to teach physical education to senior secondary students, a person should have a postgraduate degree in the subject from a recognized university or institution. As physical education is also offered as an option subject, and teachers are given the responsibility of preparing the school teams for tournament and competitions. Such eligibility criteria are strictly observed. Next, college and university. There are many job opportunities to teach physical education in college and universities. A master degree is necessary in addition to clearing the NET means NET means National Eligibility Test in physical education conducted by the UGC for teaching the subject at college for university level. PhD degree also with publishing of books and papers are preferred. MPhil publishing MPhil degree also has its extra weightage in teaching. Basis certificate and diploma course, BPEd, MPEd, certificate course in yoga, BSc in physical education, extra. There are various professional courses in physical education. All the universities level and college level teachers are required to teach various subjects such as research methodology, test and measurement, sports psychology, sports sociology, sports biomechanics, sports medicine, exercise physiology, organization and administration. Next, coaching. Coaching career in physical education. Coaching career is also a traditional career in the field of physical education. Many physical education prefer to option to coaching as a career. There are a number of job opportunity for coaching as in the field of teaching. Opportunity to coach existing job in both the school and non-school setting. Opportunity of jobs are available to coaching, middle school, high school, senior secondary school, in college or university. Coaching is slightly different from teaching as it placed deeper focus on the practical side of things. A coach not only train his or her players to be physically fit and skilled, she or he also instant in them mentally courage and them spirit. She or he showed for potential players drills them to preference by observing and analysis their performance and give them constitute collision. She or he keeps himself updated on latest rules and teaching. Has the crucial role of boosting the player confidence and leading them to the path of victory. He or she must also have strong communication skill. A coach usually face a lot of pressure those who are all ready to take on the challenge to the long hour practice. Next one, health related career. During the last 20 years, there have been a rapid increase in the awareness of health. Nowadays, people have become more health conscious. They want to be healthy and fit. They want to be keep always from the various diseases such as hypertension, heart disease, and disorder such as obesity, diabetes, and etc. They have realized the value of health. Everyone wants to lead a healthy lifestyle. Gym and weight control clubs are opening up in many corners of the country. Sorry, of the urban areas. With increased awareness of health issues and application of healthier lifestyle, more and more people are willing to take out time from their daily routine to develop to physical development. Those who are can afford it hire personal trainer to improve their health and physique in the best possible ways. To be a successful trainer, one needed more than certificate of educational qualification and a good grasp of proper nutrition. Either he or she must also be physically fit herself himself. Whether is the bodybuilding, weight reducing and control, aerobic or yoga, trainers are more likely to seek the guidance of someone whom they can look up to as an inspiration. Thank you, student. Have a good day. If you have any doubt, you can join with Google Meet.